What's up, guys? Do you want to know how you can make $3,000 a week by just sitting at home on your computer? Keep watching. And make sure you watch to the end where I show you really how much you could be making. Go to Facebook, search NFT Marketplace, and you'll see a bunch of public groups that pop up. Join into these groups. Then you're going to want to go through the group members and send the following message or something very similar to it. Hey there, I saw you're trying to launch an NFT project. I'm a graphics designer and would love to work with you and help develop your collection. Just copy and paste this and keep sending it to everybody in the group. You're going to have people that are going to reach back out to you and say that they're interested. These are people in a group looking to start an NFT project. But you might be saying, I don't know how to make an NFT. Watch this. Go to Fiverr, type in NFT, and you're going to see a bunch of great artists who do really good work that you can get for a pretty cheap price. Click on this guy. His work looks great and he'll do a project for $300. So what are you going to do? You're going to charge your client $800 and then you're going to go over to this individual on Fiverr and fulfill the order for $300. That nets you $500 in profit, and all you're doing is connecting two people. Now, once a guy on Fiverr finishes the project for you, you're going to deliver it to your customer and you're going to keep the difference, which again is $500. Get 6 clients a week, which really isn't that hard because there's tens of thousands of people in these Facebook groups, and you will make $3,000 in profit a week. And then you can expand to other social media sites, including Reddit, to get more and more clients. That's drop servicing, baby. Follow me for more money-making tips.